transform data into decisions and theory into action with Rise's data science program. Are you fascinated by how data can solve real-world problems? Our data science program is made to turn your curiosity into expertise, offering the skills to analyze, predict, and influence tomorrow's technologies and trends. Data science jobs are expected to grow much faster than average over the next decade, and you can expect a median salary in the 6 figures. You'll learn the tools of the trade. You'll code in Python and SQL, apply statistics to real-life scenarios, and understand the machine learning concepts that power industries from tech to healthcare. We make data science comprehensive, accessible, and exciting. Because we believe in learning by doing, you'll do hands-on projects that not only build your skills, but also enhance your employability. You'll graduate with a portfolio that showcases your ability to tackle complex data challenges. From designing AI systems that adapt to user needs, to employing neural networks and cutting-edge applications, your education here means engaging with actual data projects. Imagine creating an AI that optimizes energy use in real time, or analyzes social media trends to predict election outcomes. Imagine a career where you're at the forefront of technological advancement, transforming vast data into actionable insights that drive progress. That's the power of a degree in data science from Rise.